somber note because India is heartbroken as our beloved Dharam Paji, the man whose warmth lit up the screen long before fame found him, is no more. The 89-year-old legend who gave Hindi cinema its gentlest hero and its strongest man passed away today in Mumbai. A towering 65-year career, over 300 films. From Satyakam to Sholay, he wasn't just an actor, he was a feeling, a softness wrapped in strength, a hero who shaped generations. He had been unwell for some time, in and out of hospital before the family brought him home earlier this month. Mumbai police has confirmed his passing and preparations are underway for his final rites at the Pavan Hans crematorium in Vile Parle. Let's go across to my colleague Abida now, who's reporting from Ground Zero on this.
November 24th, a huge loss for the Indian film industry as we lose the legendary actor Dharmendra. He has been ailing for quite some time now, and we know that he was admitted in Breach Candy Hospital end of October. We have seen actors like Shah Rukh Khan, Govinda, Aamir Khan, Salman pouring into the hospital to be by the side of the actor as well as his family. Then the family took a decision of moving him from the hospital to their residence here where I'm standing right now in Juhu. This was on 12th of November, where he was taken from the hospital in an ambulance into his residence because his family decided he should be in comfort of his own home and around his loved ones. His sons, the Deol brothers, Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, they all live together here in this bungalow with their mother. Dharmendra mostly used to live in his Khandala farmhouse and used to occasionally visit here. We have also seen how all his fraternity people were pouring into Pavan Hans crematorium. His body was taken from here in an ambulance, followed by all his family members. It was a very intimate cremation that happened. We are still waiting to hear from the family a confirmation about his passing away, but we have heard nothing. The family made sure that media stayed away from all of this, and it was only very personal and very few people who were allowed inside the crematorium. Media and fans stood outside the crematorium to pay their last respect. We saw actors like Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Salman Khan, Aamir Khan, Salim Khan, Shabana Azmi, Sanjay Dutt, everybody coming in and paying their respect. The cremation is over, and we also saw all celebrities leaving from there. It was absolute chaos outside the crematorium, but there was police and security handling the media as well as the fans. Right now we are outside his residence and all the ceremony has been done. We are still yet to hear from the family if there's a prayer meet or not, maybe tomorrow or day after. But for now, it's a huge loss for the industry. A man who entertained us for 5 decades, 3 generations who has loved him, such amazing films that he has given. He was known as the He-Man of Indian cinema. He was also has records of giving the maximum number of hits in 1 year, and now we have lost him, but his memories are always there with us. We still go back and watch his movies, whether it's Chupke Chupke, whether it's Sholay. He has made us laugh, he has made us cry, and we have all his memories on the celluloid forever.
And Bollywood mourns the loss of Dharmendra Paji, and his contemporaries are sharing heartfelt tributes. In fact, Sharmila Tagore expressed her sorrow, saying she will miss him greatly and recalling that they even shared the same birthday. Listen in.
We share a birthday. 8th December was our birthday together. So I will miss him so much. I knew that he was critical, but when the moment comes, it's terrible to cope with. I'm very, very sorry. We worked in such good films together. Anupama was one, and then before that, Devar, then of course Satyakam, and Chupke Chupke, which is so iconic. I mean, it's a stress buster, and he should have got the national, award, the Best Actor award, and he didn't get it because I think comedy was not considered, I mean, people preferred serious roles, but he was brilliant and brilliant in Chupke Chupke.
Dharamji no more is impossible to think of. We are so upset because he was recovering so well. This is what we got to know. I spoke to Hema also, and he was better 5 days ago. Dharamji has been like a brother, like a younger kid brother to Dilip Sahab. Dilip Sahab loved him like his own blood, absolutely, and Dharamji loved Dilip Sahab. बहुत एक दूसरे से प्यार करते थे, and the house was open to Dharamji, be it 1 o'clock या 2 बजे सुबह के हों, sharing each other's problems, जो भी होते थे साथ में हल करते थे, साथ में खाना खाते थे, साथ में they would have a drink sometime. He was so close to us, I can't imagine this. I cannot imagine a film industry without Dharamji, the wonderful person that he was. कोई एक ऐसा इंसान नहीं होगा जिसको धर्मजी से मोहब्बत नहीं होगी. हम सबको इतनी मोहब्बत है धर्मजी से, and he will live forever in our heart.